Da-na-na.
Oh, it's blinking. I think that means it's recording.
Are you recording?
Do-do-do.
Focus on me. Dude, these vents are still hot. I'm just warming up my hands.
So this is
Little
going to be.
dados.
This is not going to be the most exciting YouTube video.
It's a
I think it will be.
Hey! It's Daniel.
We know that.
Dang, Daniel!
Back at it again with those chips.
Goodbye.
Give the walkie-talkie to your dad.
Right now.
Okay.
Wow.
You're not letting me.
This is Daniel. Come on.
What did he say? He's worse.
Here's the film. You a bunch of scammers. Get away from my phone.
We should have a race.
I don't know.
What's this?
I'm pretty sure they're going to win the race.
They're in front of us.
We should have a race. Ah, you scratched my truck. You just hit it, Dad. Pinstripes. You're getting pinstripes for him.
Thanks a lot.
Too close to the right.
Too close in the middle.
My dad was so worried that I'd hit the sides on this part, like I'd hit the tires, and he was the one that hit the tires.
No,
ironically, yeah, this morning
Oh,
when we went out there, you were the one that hit the tires.
no way.
Wait,
You
guys
did.
went
You were
out
the
there?
one. Just take this like a boss. You see, we go so much faster than them.
Whoa.
I got it.
Yesterday when Jonas was driving, I felt like we were going to. I think it might be
The Humvee is such a great vehicle, but it's also such a horrible vehicle. I'm gonna like build a vehicle based off the Humvee.
this morning.
It's gonna be a lot better.
Like
Though.
they're good because they don't have any parts taken out of them, but the mileage,
They have bad gas mileage, yeah, but like the